Is your Jeep Wrangler JL key fob not working? It likely needs a new battery. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the small notch on the side of the fob. Gently pry it open, splitting it into two halves. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together. Test it by approaching your Jeep. It should unlock the doors. Remember to recycle your old battery. If your key fob battery dies completely, you can still start your Jeep using the emergency start procedure. Locate the physical key blade hidden inside the fob. Insert the key into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key to the on position and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. This bypasses the electronic system, allowing you to start the engine. Once started, consider reprogramming your key fob at a dealership, especially if still under warranty. Carrying a spare CR2032 battery is a great way to prevent this situation in the first place.